All right, guys, this is our Hudson floor plan. So notice you have an office, double doors in the front of the house. You've got the dining room, kitchen, and living space. You've got a couple options to go outside. You have a little stoop right here to go outside, and then you also have a screened-in porch off of the side of the house. So I'll take you outside. And what we chose to do in this showcase was screen in this part, put a nice fan, and then leave another slice of concrete so you can grill here if you don't want to be underneath the screened-in porch, or put a little pizza oven out there, whatever you would like to do. So this specific Hudson I'm in currently is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It's a little over 2,200 square feet. And this specific Hudson is in Lakeview Point, and it's priced at $387,000. So you walk in, you have the office, closet space, right when you walk in. Another thing I love that True Homes does is this right here. This is what we call a drop zone. A lot of people call this a mudroom. I think it's adorable, fantastic, just gives a really cool feel. You come in through the garage right here to the drop zone and drop your shoes off, hang your jacket here so you don't get mud all over the house. There's another closet right here. Showcase Homes have CPI installed. So we're going to go upstairs, and this is where we're going to find the 3 bedrooms. You're also going to have, which True Homes is a really good job of, a secondary living space upstairs. So kids want a game, somebody wants to go watch a movie upstairs, watch a show downstairs. You have 2 options. So you have bedroom, one of the guest bedrooms, second guest bedroom, a little larger. Sawn closet as well. These 2 bedrooms are going to share a full bathroom. Right here, let me cut the light on for you. Here's the laundry room. Awesome cabinets up top. We're going to have just a little storage closet, the HVAC up top. We're gonna have the primary. This is an adorable, super sizey. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see. Primary, this specific lot at Lakeview Point. The woods in the background, super deep lot. Imagine putting a little putting green or a fireplace. Down at the bottom, that is all your land, all the way to the woods. Chip a ball, light a fire down there, a little trail. Super cool. Let me show you the primary bathroom, dual vanity like we do in almost every one of our primary bathrooms. Nice size closet as well. Again, guys, this is the Hudson floor plan. We vaulted the ceilings in this. A lot of people choose to do that at True Homes in the primary bathroom. So again, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. You have all the bedrooms are upstairs. A couple of unique things I love about the Hudson plan is you have the drop zone right here and a nice open, flowy living room to the kitchen, to the dining room. And then this office is super adorable and really convenient with so many people working remote from home these days. And then you have the half bathroom as well. There you go, guys. This is the Hudson model, currently priced at $387,000 out in Edgewater, our master plan community with insane amenities. It's a 2,200 square foot Hudson floor plan. I'm Blake Lomberg, and I'm a licensed real estate agent with True Homes. Contact me if you would like to know any more information, 843-810-09 0788. Have a great day.